my name is Veronica and I'm competing in the Skin Games 2025 under the new Esthetician Category. I have my wonderful model here. Her name is Mandy, and I have actually had the privilege of already consulting with her, and I've actually done treatments on her already. So prior to this, I already know kind of what her skin can take. We discussed her home care regimen and things like that. So her main her main skin goals are going to be to work on the elastosis in her skin, hyperpigmented macules, the glycation around her mouth, fine lines and wrinkles, things like that. So with the treatment plan that we have come up with together, I'm super excited. So first we're going to be doing a full combination of 3 things. So we're going to be dermaplaning, microchanneling, and doing a chemical peel as well. So with dermaplaning, we're going to be lightly exfoliating the skin, getting all those dead skin cells off. That way, not only her home care routine, but also the treatments that we're doing are going to penetrate better into the skin. And then we're also going to be doing microchanneling. So with microchanneling, I'm using a serum that has stem cell derived growth factors, and it's going to help stimulate the skin to repair and rejuvenate itself. And then with the chemical peel that I'm using, that is going to stimulate the fibroblast activity in her skin. So it's going to increase the cellular turnover and work on that hyperpigmented macules, the fine lines, wrinkles as well, and also support her skincare barrier overall with this treatment. So I'm super excited. We also have a full home care regimen that she'll be doing, and that's actually going to be focusing on hydration, barrier support, and also collagen stimulation. So can't wait to see her final results after these 8 weeks, and I will keep you guys updated. I'll be documenting the whole time, doing before and afters and things like that. Hope you guys enjoy.